Polo AI, the ultimate tool for turning your ideas into amazing videos and images in just a few clicks. Imagine creating engaging scenes like AI kissing and hugging along with dynamic text to video, image to video, and consistent character generation features. Whether you're a creative pro or you're just getting started, Polo AI makes it easier and simple to produce professional content very fast. You'll find the link to Polo AI in the description below. So once you sign up with Polo AI, this is their main interface. They have a lot of AI generating tools like image to video, consistent character video, text to video, video to anime, and AI animation generators. Now let's start things with AI magic. Polo AI allows you to create lifelike animations of people kissing or hugging. This is perfect for storytelling, animation, or even marketing videos. So here is how you can do it step by step. So step number one, what you want to do is come to the AI video effects here on your left. Click on it and you can see all these AI video effects and templates that you can play around with. So let's start with the AI kissing. Just click on it. So what you want to do is upload the first image and the second image and make sure that they have the same aspect ratio. We'll upload our first image like that and click on OK. And we'll upload our second image as well. So you can turn off the public visibility and turn on the copy protection. So this makes it possible for other Polo AI users not to see your generations. And from here, we'll click on generate and see what it will create for it. Okay, isn't that amazing? So you can regenerate your video. That's if you do not like the generation or it wasn't as successful as you wanted it to be. And you can also click on the more button, and this option allows you to add sound to your video, and you can also upscale your video. So to download this video, what you simply have to do is click on this download button here to download it with watermark or to download it without a watermark. This was our first generation and this was our second generation. So we can try the AI hugging feature. So the process is the same. We'll upload our first image, then we'll upload our second image. Then we'll click on the create button. Okay, we can take a look at our generation. This is just so amazing and very perfect. So we can close this button. Now the next feature that we can try out is the explode feature. So for this feature, what we simply have to do is upload a single image, upload a bow. Okay, and we'll click on create to see how this feature can turn our bow into an explosion. Okay, let's see the generation of the explosion feature. Okay, this is wonderful. Let's try the last one. Let's try the AI melt effect. So we'll upload our image. Let's try out this image. This is the AI melt effect. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. Let's talk about the main power of Polo AI. You won't believe how easy it is to create professional looking videos with these AI features. Polo AI is an all-in-one AI image and video generating platform, allowing users to explore various AI videos and image models in one place. So let's start things with the text to video generator. What you simply have to do is come to the text to video icon here and paste in the prompt that describes the character and how you want to create your video. Polo AI offers multiple AI models for users to choose from. Just click on this button here and you find the Polo 1.5 model, Kling 1.6, Kling 1.0 model. You find the Video 1.5 model. You find the Hello AI. You find the Luma AI. You find Pixverse V2 and Pixverse V3. And you also find the Pika 1.5. So you can choose from any of these models when generating videos from text. So I'll select the Polo 1.5 model. From there, select the aspect ratio below here and click on the create button to create your video from text. Okay, so let's take a look at the video that it has generated for us. This is exactly what the prompt describes it. So we can regenerate. That's if we do not like the creation. We can also upscale our video. We can extend the duration of our video. That's if it's just too short for us. And we can use video to video where we can transform the already existing video into a complete new video. So let's close this one and let's try out another new exciting feature, which is image to video. On the image to video, you can select a model as well, just like we explained in the text to video feature. Then we'll upload our image that we want to transform. After uploading our image, we're going to describe what we want to create with this image. So just paste in my description like that. Then from there, we'll click on create. So we can take a look at our generation. Okay, this is exactly what we've described in our prompt. So we can regenerate. That's if we do not like the generation. We can upscale as well. We can extend and we can transform our video. So I'll close this tab and we can try out the next feature, which is consistent character video. So with the consistent character video generator, you can create a series of videos with the same AI generated character. So you can upload a single image or you can upload 2 images or 3 images, but for these two, it's an option. It's all up to you. So I've just uploaded 2 images and I will describe what I want to create with these 2 images. So I'll say walking. One thing that you must keep in mind is that the better the prompt, the better the outcome that these AI tools generate content for you. So walking in the park. From there, I will leave the aspect ratio to 16:9. For higher resolution, you can select 1080 pixels, but I'll go for 720 pixels. Then the motion range, I'll leave it to auto. Then I will click on create. Okay, we can see our generation, it's not muffing, it's just on point and moving according to what we've just described in our prompt. We can try out a different new prompt and see the generations that it will give us. Let's say running in the desert and see what it will generate for us. Okay, so our character is actually running in the desert. This is according to the description or the prompt that we are given this AI to, which is very amazing. He's running. The hair is also following his movement, which is so amazing and very incredible. We can upscale our video or we can ask it to regenerate this video, but see if we do not like the generated video. Now let's try out this other exciting feature, which is video to anim. So with this feature, you can turn any video to an anim video. Let me show you how cool this feature is. So upload a video. So this is a realistic video. Then I'm going to choose a style. So you can choose any of these styles. I will go for anim. Then I'll leave these settings just like the way they are and I will click on create. Okay, so this is the video that it has generated for us. This is very cool and very amazing. Apart from that, we can try out other cool features like the AI animation and image generation features. Now, one thing that you should put in mind is that Polo AI isn't just about videos. It also has a powerful AI image generation too that uses cutting-edge models like the Flax Neo and Flax 1.1 Pro Ultra, Flax 1.1 Pro, Flax Devlora, and Flax Dev. Each model has different strength from ultra-detailed portrait to dreamy artistic effects. Let's generate some images using Flax 1.1 Ultra and see what happens. Just click on the AI image generator. Here on the model, we're going to choose Flax 1.1 Ultra, and from the style, I'll select animation. Then I'll select the aspect ratio to be 16:9. I will leave the number of images to 1 because of the model that we're using. Then I'll click on create. Let's take a look at the images that it has generated for us. Cool. This is just so fantastic. Look how detailed the images are, to the point and very excellent. Exactly what we've described in our prompt. So we can also convert the same image into a video by clicking on image to video. We can regenerate this image. That's if we do not like the generated one. And we can also reprompt by giving it another detailed prompt and see the result it will give us. To download our image, just click on the download button here and your image will be downloaded into your PC. This is an amazing AI tool that you can take advantage of when you want to create outstanding images for your project. Now let's try out the final one, which is the image to image. We'll upload our image here. We'll turn off the magic prompt. I will not type in anything in the prompt. I'll just click on create. Okay, this is just so amazing and very, very, very interesting. So this feature is very powerful when you love a photo on the internet and you don't want to use that photo because you want to avoid the copyright. So you can grab that photo and upload it to this site, and the AI tool will generate an image that is similar to that photo that you've just uploaded. Now, let's take a look at the pricing for this AI tool. So the free version gives you up to 1 video for free and you can generate only up to 2 images. With the pro plan, you get everything available in the light plan and in the free plan. With the light plan, you can generate up to 30 videos per month and up to 60 images per month, plus these other features that are included in it. If you have any question, let me know in the comment section below. I would really love to hear from you. Thank you, Polo AI, for sponsoring this video. God bless you. If you want to learn more about AI generated characters and videos, check out this YouTube video. Thank you.